What's up YouTube, this is Jesse aka Royalty Custom Sneakers and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be making customs for Vanilla Bean AR-15 Hillbilly Bogey himself, Austin Reaves.
Final seconds, out to Reaves, three-pointer, bang! Schroeder gives it right back, Reaves, oh my goodness! Payton's back in, he picked up two quick fouls. Reaves behind the back, draws the foul, counted and one!
Schroeder with speed. Now Reaves! Throw it down, Austin!
Thompson catches, fires. Air ball, DiVincenzo blocked by Davis. Final seconds, Reaves. It'll count if it goes. Oh, he puts it in!
Austin is a pretty chill guy, so after talking with his agent, we came up with a design that's simple but has a little bit of Lakers flair. So sit back and let's get into it. Today's canvas is an all-black Air Force One. As always, I prepped the areas I'm going to paint with sandpaper, acetone and cotton balls. After prepping, I tape off the quarter panels and toe box so I can lay down a base coat of flat black. This is going to be important later when I draw in my snake print design. Now I'm going to use a mechanical pencil to draw in the guidelines for my snakeskin pattern. I use a mechanical pencil because it shows up better against a black background when compared to a normal pencil. Remember to make the lines look organic and not completely straight to better mimic a snakeskin effect. Now I'm going to go over the line work with grey paint and a toothpick. Make sure to round off the edges of each square in order to create a more organic snakeskin pattern. After laying down my snakeskin pattern, I tape off the swooshes and lay down a base coat of mist. On top of the mist, I lay down two base coats of pale yellow that will allow the Lakers gold to show up without streaking. Then I lay down two coats of Lakers gold, and after a few off-camera touch-ups, it's time to lace these up and see how they look. The new NBA season is upon us and I can't wait to see Austin rock his kicks this year. I gotta give a big shout out to Austin's agent Aaron Riley. Without him this project wouldn't have been possible. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment what you want to see next. If you're interested in your own pair of customs, hit me up at Royalty Custom Sneakers on Instagram. And as always, stay royal.